The modern double-decker RV camper van redefines mobile living by merging innovation with comfort and style. Designed for adventurous travelers who crave space without sacrificing mobility, this striking vehicle stands out immediately with its two-story construction, giving it the presence of a moving tiny home rather than a traditional camper. Its exterior features a clean white finish accented with contemporary yellow and orange geometric graphics that add personality and flair. The streamlined front cab integrates seamlessly into the main body, with black-trimmed windows offering an appealing contrast. On the upper level, a balcony-style overhang with a safety railing hints at the unique experiences inside, inviting you to imagine sipping coffee while enjoying panoramic views wherever you park. Large tinted windows dominate both levels, letting in plenty of natural light while maintaining privacy. These windows are strategically placed to offer breathtaking vistas of mountains, forests, lakes, or cityscapes, depending on your journey. The vehicle rests on sturdy wheels with reinforced suspension to handle varied terrains, from paved highways to rugged countryside trails. Moving inside, the lower level serves as the primary living space. Upon entering, you're welcomed by a thoughtfully designed interior that maximizes every inch of space. A comfortable lounge area with convertible seating offers room for relaxation, reading, or watching television on an integrated flat screen. The upholstery is modern yet cozy, with neutral tones accented by pops of color to match the exterior graphics. A compact yet fully equipped kitchen is fitted with a 2-burner stove, a microwave, a fridge, and abundant cabinetry. The sleek countertops offer enough space for meal prep, and the efficient layout ensures that everything is within easy reach. This kitchen allows travelers to prepare anything from simple breakfasts to full family dinners on the road. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, designed with versatility in mind. A foldable table and bench seating can transform into additional sleeping space if needed. Clever under-seat storage compartments hold camping supplies, bedding, or personal items, making sure clutter stays out of sight. The lower level also includes a well-appointed bathroom with a toilet, compact shower, and sink with storage underneath. High-quality fixtures, a ventilation system, and moisture-resistant materials make it practical for everyday use without feeling cramped or utilitarian. A staircase or ladder, depending on the model, leads to the upper level, which is the true highlight of this RV. The upper deck offers a private retreat, typically configured as a spacious sleeping area with a queen or even king-sized bed. Large windows on all sides flood the space with natural light during the day and offer stargazing opportunities at night. Some models feature a sliding door leading to the balcony-like overhang, where travelers can step outside to enjoy fresh air and unobstructed views. It's an ideal spot for morning yoga, sunset drinks, or simply soaking in the surroundings. Climate control systems ensure that both levels stay comfortable in all seasons, with heating and air conditioning available as needed. LED lighting throughout offers bright but energy-efficient illumination, while solar panels on the roof can supplement the RV's power needs, supporting off-grid adventures. Thoughtful touches like USB charging ports, integrated sound systems, and Wi-Fi connectivity enable a modern, connected lifestyle even in remote locations. Safety features include smoke detectors, carbon monoxide alarms, backup cameras, and advanced braking systems for peace of mind on the road. Ultimately, the modern double-decker RV camper van isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement of freedom, offering travelers the chance to take their home wherever they go.